Welcome to Voices of IDAC, where we speak to architects, designers, and industry leaders about how design can make spaces better for people and for planet. In luxury homes, the most powerful design decisions are often the ones you don't immediately notice. The choices that quietly shape how a space feels. Joining me today is Dipti Khanna from Dipti Khanna Designs. Thank you for joining us at Voices of IDAC.
Thank you, Benita, for having me here.
Yes. Okay, shall we begin?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Dipti, tell me, when clients ask for a luxury home, what do you think they're really asking for?
See, when we just when the client comes to us, obviously they are asking for luxury homes. That's why they reach out to us. But deep down, when we try to understand what is luxury, what actually is meant for them, I feel for every client, the definition of luxury is very different. It's always something that they are aspiring for. If they are in a smaller space, they aspire for having a bigger space. So if they are in larger spaces, probably they're aspiring for having private corners, where they can really have their privacy, their breathing space. So it's very different for everyone. So I feel that it's totally on aspirational value.
Aspiration. Yes, I think it makes complete sense when you can just put it into one word, aspirational. Perfect. Okay, so in high-end homes, where do you think the real value of design lies? Is it in the materials, the planning, or the experience of the space?
I feel everything put together.
Everything put together in that perfect recipe.
Totally, totally. The planning is very, very important. It's really critical. The materials that we choose is again plays a vital role in how they make you feel in the space. And so all of that put together actually gives you that experience, that experiential value. So that's what actually is luxury.
Perfect. Okay, tell me, many homes look impressive when they're finished, but they don't age well, like maybe in terms of material or, how the design is shaping out to be. So, what helps a space remain elegant even after 10 years?
So for us, we've never run for trends, So we've always gone in for timeless designs. Even if we try to go in for trends, we eventually land up again coming back to timeless designs, So wherein we use a lot of timeless materials that age beautifully, like stone, it's wood, there's metal. So all of these materials, even if they after years, after 5 years, 10 years, they still look so nice. And with a little change of superficial elements, you can still have that same aspect. They still feel rich and very, very up to what the trend is, because they never go out of trend.
They never go out of fashion.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Timeless is the way to go. Okay, now tell me something. As sustainability becomes more and more important these days, do you think luxury interiors will need to rethink the way they use materials?
Definitely, definitely. I feel the innovation in material that we are seeing every day, through these exhibitions, we get to know about so much innovation that's happening in material. So, sustainability is again the way forward. So, if we don't bring in sustainability within luxury designs, I don't think they will really last too long. So, of course, the sustainable materials are important. Have to be an important part of our designs for creating those timeless designs.
Any particular material that you are obsessing over currently?
Um, I love stone. I mean, any form of stone, be it marble, be it kota, be it sandstone, anything, I feel they will never go out of fashion. They will always stay and they age beautifully. And what the space really demands for, depending on which kind of stone it really demands for. So that's always there in my projects.
Okay, now a rapid fire question for you. Tell me one material that always ages beautifully in a home. I think you already answered that.
Stone for sure.
Okay, the next one. One design decision people realize too late in a project.
Uh, sometimes people are running for trends, but then during the process they understand, okay, trend is one aspect, but when they go in for timeless designs, that will stay with them forever.
Forever.
So that's what they realize over the time, but they do realize.
They do,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
over
So
a period
which
of
is
time.
which makes sense for us, and it's good for us.
Perfect. Okay, thank you so much for joining us, Dipti. It was wonderful having you and having this lovely conversation.
Thank you. I hope I was good.
You were best. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Great spaces are not just about designs or materials. They are more about thoughtful decisions, responsibilities, and choices. Thank you for joining us at Voices of IDAC.